Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and as you can see here, I picked up a vintage Briggs & Stratton engine. It's actually a Briggs engine, as you can see here. It's got this really cool pulley on it that I can run a V-belt off of. So I thought, what would be a really cool project is to go and revisit the alternator video, which is one of my most popular videos. Apparently, there's a lot of race car guys that need to know how to wire these old 3-wire alternators instead of going out and picking up a GM 1-wire or something. But we're going to use this to generate 12-volt power off of the gas engine, and we're going to have it fill a battery. I'm not going to use this battery, it's too small. I'm going to get a car battery that I can actually throw a lot of amps at and not fry. Other things that we're going to need is a old incandescent light bulb, car light bulb. I think this is like a 1157 or one of the older, more universal bulbs, but we need the resistance from this bulb to make the alternator work properly. We have a circuit breaker just in case everything goes wrong. We have an on and off switch to turn on and off charging. That way when you pull start the motor, it can warm up and pick up speed before you put it under load. Circuit breaker, of course, for safety. I have an old voltmeter, and I'm going to use this to measure the voltage coming off of the battery, or use this to measure the voltage coming off the alternator. We're going to have two different places we can check it anyway. And then we have a power inverter over here to convert it into wall power. So basically, we can take a little bit of gasoline, turn it into 12-volt power 12-volt devices and stuff like that directly off the battery, or we can use inverted power to run, standard lamps and stuff like that. But I think the first thing I'm going to need to do is go out and source a big metal plate for this so I can put a big metal plate down, bolt the motor to it. I'll put some wheels on the plate. Then we can make an alternator bracket and basically build this up nice and solid. And then I have a little hand truck that I can put it all on. That way it can be portable. As for the show, we have a couple of new things coming up. We do have a little bit of YouTube funding. We have a little bit of sponsor funding now. I should be putting out a new season release pretty soon. We'll call it a new season and start out. I got more editing software and stuff like that. So hang in there. And in the next couple of weeks, we're going to start putting out some really fun videos. But I just wanted to show you this setup. I still have to acquire some parts for it, but it should be an interesting project. And this is going to be one of those projects that just about anybody can do at home with a little mechanical knowledge. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Build stuff, have fun, and try to stay warm. And since it's coming up, Merry Christmas.